Hey kids, welcome to section 2.3 Social Security and Medicare taxes. Today we're going to learn how to compute the amount withheld for Social Security and Medicare taxes. Why does the United States have programs such as Social Security and Medicare? Maybe you have no idea what these programs are, but these programs are federally funded, and every paycheck that you earn puts money towards these programs. So, the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, or otherwise known as FICA, requires employers to deduct a percentage of your income as taxes for Social Security and Medicare. Well, Social Security is a federal government program to pay for retirement and disability benefits. So, normally in this country, you work until you're about 65 and then you retire. And after you retire, you usually don't have a job. And so, what Social Security does is it sends you a monthly paycheck to make up for the fact that you don't have a job. But it doesn't give you the exact same amount that you earned. In fact, it doesn't usually give you very much to live off of. That's why you have to save, save, save when you're younger, so that when you're older, you have money to live off of. Also, if you get injured or you are somehow unable to work, and then you need to draw disability benefits, it comes from the Social Security Fund. And the Social Security tax rate is 6.2%. And if you earn $97,500, then you get taxed on all of that. So basically, you stop getting taxed if you earn more than $97,500 in a year. So if you earn $50,000, you get 6.2% taken out. If you earn $80,000, you still get 6.2% taken out. The other program that is part of the FICA is Medicare, and this is a federal government program that provides medical insurance. So, usually, when you work full time for a company, you get some sort of medical insurance, health insurance, vision insurance, dental insurance, all sorts of different health insurances through your employer. However, when you don't have a job anymore, then you usually don't have health insurance. And when you're older, you tend to need it more than when you're younger. So, a program called Medicare allows you, when you retire, to start having health insurance. My mom was so excited when she turned 65 because then she could get Medicare health insurance after she had retired. The employer must contribute a specific amount every time. If the employer doesn't take it out and send it to the government, then they get in trouble as well. And so all of the money for Social Security and Medicare gets thrown into a single pot. And then once you turn the appropriate age, you can start withdrawing money from it. Important to remember, Medicare is 1.45% of your earnings, and there is no limit. So if you earn $50,000, you get 1.45% taken out. If you earn $250,000 a year, you still get 1.45% taken out. All right, so let's calculate some of these. Find the individual amounts withheld for Social Security and Medicare. So, person A has a monthly salary of $3,100 and they have earned to date $15,500. Well, this earnings to date is lower than the $97,500, so I don't even have to worry about it. So, Social Security, I'm going to simplify as SS. We take the monthly salary, $3,100, and we multiply by 6.2%, which is I can't write, 0.062. Remember, Social Security is 6.2% and Medicare is 1.45%. So if I multiply 3,100 and 0.062, I get $192.20. That means each month, person A is going to have $192.20 taken out of their paycheck and thrown into the Social Security pot of money. And when they turn 65, they can start to get some of that money back. Medicare also takes the monthly salary, $3,100, but instead multiplies it by 1.45%. So as a decimal would be 0.0145. If I multiply this out, this gives $44.95. So person A is going to have $44.95 taken out of their monthly paycheck and thrown into the Medicare pot of money so that when they turn 65, they can have health insurance. All right, letter B. This person is paid weekly salary of $350. Earnings to date, $16,800. Fine, that's less than $97,000, so I don't have to worry. So let's see, Social Security, we're going to take the weekly $350 and multiply it by 6.2% or 0.062. This means that weekly $21.70 is being taken out of the paycheck and gone towards Social Security. If we do Medicare, we're again going to take the weekly salary, $350, but this time multiply by 1.45% or 0.0145. Multiply this and I get $5.08. So every week, $5.08 is being taken out of the paycheck and thrown into Medicare. And again, when you turn 65, you can collect this money if there's any left, and you get checks in the mail for the amounts. All right, let's do number 2. Sheila Kerr is a magazine editor, receives a monthly gross pay of $5,922. Her earnings to date this year total $47,376. How much does Sheila have deducted from her paycheck this month for Social Security and Medicare combined? Okay, so that means I got to add them in the end. All right, well, her year-to-date total is less than $97,500, so we're fine. So let's see, Social Security is $5,922, and we're going to multiply that by 6.2% or 0.062. This gives me Social Security amount of $367.16. Then we're going to do Medicare. We're going to take that monthly salary again, $5,922, multiply by the Medicare percentage, 0.0145. This gives me a Medicare value of $85.87. If I want to find the combined amount, $453.03. Again, remember, this is just for Social Security and Medicare. We still have federal income tax taken out, and we still have state income tax taken out. So, yeah, you might earn a lot of money, but you get a lot taken out as well. All right, let's do example number 3. Denny Carter is a single father with one dependent. He earns $255.20 a week. His pay to date this year totals $10,718.40. He lives in Alaska, which has no state income tax. Part A, how much is withheld from his weekly paycheck for federal income tax? Ooh, that's a review from section 2.1. So we need to go and find our federal income tax tables. Let's see, he is single with one dependent and earns $255.20 a week. Single, one dependent, let's see. Single, one dependent, $255 would be right in here. One dependent would be $10. $10. All right, so Denny's going to have $10 taken out for federal income tax. He lives in Alaska, no state income tax. That's awesome. Part B, how much are his paycheck deductions this week for Social Security taxes? Well, Social Security is 6.2% of your weekly earnings. So I need to take $255.20 and I need to multiply by 0.062. This gives me Social Security deductions every week of $15.82. And we had the $10. All right, Part C, how much are his paycheck deductions this week for Medicare taxes? Well, Medicare is 1.45%. So I need to take my weekly pay, $255.20, and multiply by 1.45% as a decimal. So 0.0145. This is going to give me paycheck deductions of $3.70 this week for Medicare. Then Part D, what is the total deduction amount? Well, we need to add up the three deductions. So $10, $15.82, and $3.70 is going to give me total deductions of $29.52. All right. That is section 2.3. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.